August 10th. Here's what moved. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731 holds number 1 on OpenRouter. 8 cents per million tokens. High 3 and second at 13 cents. Sponsor / goauthentik is trending on GitHub. 310 stars today. GitHub.copilot downloads down 34% this week. How I use LLMs to learn complex topics. Claude Opus 5 climbed 1 ranks, from 14th to 13th. Docker Sandboxes, Disposable, isolated sandboxes for AI agents. Auto mode is now the default in Claude Code. Ollama on Brew, down 305%. At Anthropic AI / SDK on NPM, down 30%. New research, SimWAM, a simple world action model for end-to-end autonomous driving. That's the briefing. Every number links to its source. Gawk.dev.